Hi from VGMA 22 and this guy, accolades. I could go on and on and on, but we don't have too much time. Ameyaw, how you doing, man? How are you?
It's been a while.
It has been.
I'm doing well, and I'm looking forward to a great night. I see already the atmosphere is charging up. Day one. Let's see how it goes.
I'm not going to waste any time. Are you happy with the state of Ghanaian music? It encompasses a whole lot, from events to performances to artists to the billboards to the Grammys.
Yeah.
Is Ameyaw Debrah happy with the state of Ghanaian music right now?
Well, I'm happy and then I'm not. I'm particularly happy because in the last couple of years we've seen a lot of new artists emerge. Because at a point it was getting stagnant. It was like the same old people that we're seeing over and over again. And so one of my big highlights is the fact that new artists have emerged. They're coming up with new sounds, and a lot of these sounds are airborne enough to cross over. We've seen what the likes of Jackie has been able to achieve, and so I'm happy for that. But in terms of the general growth, we haven't seen it happen to the next level like we wanted to see. I mean, we go up and then we come back down, and I want us to see that growth consistently. I mean, the Nigerians have been hitting and they've been running with it. We hit it and then we come back. And I mean, looking at some of the international awards that happened and we not being in it for the last 3 years, let's say something like BETs for instance, we haven't shown up strong so sometimes we want to be that consistent. Every year we are there, but we're not doing that anymore, and it indicates that something is not working. But it's not all bad. Like I said, new artists emerging gives hope that the future can be bright as well.
Yeah, very insightful stuff. I'm sure we're going to talk some more in the future, but with these awards, like you said, what are your expectations for tonight when it comes to the 22nd VGM? That's a long time.
It's been long, and it's exciting. I think last year we did it in the period of COVID. This year is even going to be better because we sort of moved out. We saw a little bit sort of activity. So we want to see those artists that really were able to excel, because it was a period that lots of amazing music came, and like I said, new artists, and it goes back to that freshness. I mean, the Yautog and the people who were able to start some new sort of genre and movement and push it to the point where it really went global. It's exciting and it can go anyway. The big guns are in it, but the young cats are also coming strong, and I already said somewhere that I want to see a good night for the likes of Mr. Drew, for Kiddy. They've been consistent, and hopefully they'll get that encouragement they need. Likes of Kiddy have won awards already, so they don't need so much encouragement in terms of these kind of laurels. But someone like Mr. Drew, the younger ones, the new ones, who are some mentions and some wins will go a long way to sort of course, the nominations are good in their own. So hopefully.
I was about to ask you your favorites for the night, but in your position, you can't always. Are you going to tell us who your favorites are for tonight?
Well, I think I monitor, and it's usually a reflection of what people feel, and I think in the new artist category, for me, my top 3 will be Camido, Mr. Drew, and then Jackie. But I think Mr. Drew stood out and deserves to win this. Artist of the Year, very competitive, lots of amazing people in there. But again, I feel Kiddy deserves it. Even if you look at the most popular song category, he pops up twice. Say Cheese and Enjoyment. These were very strong songs from the beginning of the year to getting to the end. And so I think all these people deserve it. But don't forget, rap was also very strong, and so the likes of Medical can pull a surprise, and all of that. But we're looking for a good 2-day event. We have a fair indication of how things will go from tonight, and good luck to everybody.
And that's intense. You just gave us a little bit, Daniel. Thank you so much for talking to us. All the best. Keep doing what you're doing for the industry, and I'm not going to talk to you some more. God bless you. Ameyaw Debrah.